Is it safe in Kashmir? Is Kashmir safe to visit? Is Kashmir safe for tourists? पिछले एक महीने में अनगिनत लोगों ने मुझसे ये सवाल पूछा है. So through this episode, I'm going to share my views on traveling in Kashmir. इसके साथ साथ I'll also share a few inputs that will help you take an informed decision on whether you should plan that much awaited Kashmir trip. But सबसे पहले, let me answer the $1 million question. And post that you can decide whether you want to continue watching this video. So is Kashmir safe to travel? If you want a one-word answer, I would say yes, very much. जब भी कश्मीर ट्रिप का प्लान बनता है तो हमेशा हमारे आसपास वाले हमें डिस्करेज करना शुरू कर देते हैं. और ऑब्वियसली मेरे साथ भी कुछ ऐसा ही हुआ. But as usual, I took all this advice with a pinch of salt. Because the main reason for this unsafe Kashmir hype is the media. Most of the media houses are just looking for the so-called breaking news, and that's why they exaggerate and sensationalize all the stories. अगर कश्मीर के किसी एक गांव में स्टोन पेल्टिंग हुई है तो बताया जाता है कि पूरी घाटी में पथराव है. ये तो ऐसे हुआ जैसे शिमला में बारिश हो और हम बोलें कि पूरे हिमाचल में बाढ़ आ गई है. We have to understand that most of these news channels have made us believe that there is always some unrest in the entire state. But trust me, this is far from the truth. मैं ये नहीं कह रहा that everything is fine. Kashmir does experience violence, but rarely in the main tourist areas like Srinagar, Dal Lake, Gulmarg, Pahalgam or Sonmarg. Tourism is considered to be the backbone of the economy, and that's why the locals like travel agents, hotel owners, tour guides, drivers and shikarawalas will not let anything happen to the tourist. तो ये जानने के बाद if you decide to visit Kashmir, here are a few tips for a safe trip. Do your homework and know the place well. This is something that I always recommend before going on any trip. So before you head to Kashmir, keep a close check on the local news and the current situation in the state. If there is continued violence and curfew, then it might be better to reschedule your trip. Avoid sensitive discussions. Once you are in Kashmir, I would request you to be respectful to the locals and avoid the discussions on sensitive topics. कुछ लोग ऐसे हैं who are happy with the state being a part of India, while others think it would have been better if they were an independent state. लेकिन ज़्यादातर लोग ऐसे हैं जो अपनी जिंदगी बस पीसफुली जीना चाहते हैं. This is the average common man who only wants the safety of their family and loved ones. Go with an open mind. Not all Kashmiris are tour guides, travel agents or militants. There are people like you and me who are either service professionals or businessmen. There are youngsters who are as well educated, outgoing and tech savvy as you and I. So go with an open mindset and you'll realize that on most days the life in the valley is exactly like any other city. Stick to the mainstream tourist circuit. अगर ये आपकी पहली कश्मीर ट्रिप है, then I'll recommend that you stick to the popular tourist destinations. Places like Pahalgam, Sonmarg and Gulmarg hardly get disrupted by protests. I'm not saying that visiting offbeat places is unsafe. In fact, these days a lot of people are exploring so many far-flung places. But to be on the safer side, stick to the main tourist destinations for your first time. Once you get a fair idea of the place, you can plan on going beyond the touristy trails. पर एक बात तो है, कश्मीर is so beautiful that even the most common tourist places will leave you mesmerized. Ditch self-drive and choose people over Google. In a place like Kashmir, it is better to avoid a self-drive car and instead hire a taxi. क्योंकि Google Maps आपको दिखाएगा shortest route, but that might not be the best route to take. The locals are always well versed with which areas to avoid, और खुदा ना खास्ता अगर रास्ते में कुछ होता भी है तो उनको पता है कि ऐसी सिचुएशन को कैसे हैंडल करना है. बट ऐसा भी कुछ घबराने की बात नहीं है, बिकॉज फॉर द 15 days I was in Kashmir, I didn't face a single roadblock, protest or unsafe situation despite traveling for hundreds of kilometers. Always keep a local contact. Having a local connect in Kashmir makes your life very easy. So please do keep a local Kashmiri contact with you while traveling around Kashmir. It can be a hotel staff, your driver, a travel agent or a friend of a friend. If something goes wrong, then you'll always have a local person to rely on. Well, having said that, Kashmir is undoubtedly one of the most beautiful places I have ever visited. But the real warmth of Kashmir comes from Kashmiris. जहाँ भी मैं गया, I was met with smiling faces and everyone welcomed me with a cup of chai और कहवा. कॉमन लोग तो बस चाहते हैं कि वापस जाके हम उनको प्यार से याद करें. So at the end of the day, it is very easy to form opinions and judgments from outside. But it's only when we visit the place we understand the reality. The bottom line is, मैं चाहता हूँ आप कश्मीर विजिट करें. आप चाहते हैं आप कश्मीर विजिट करें और कश्मीरीज भी चाहते हैं आप कश्मीर विजिट करें, अब चाहे वो पॉपुलर टूरिस्ट सर्किट हो या ऑफ बीट डेस्टिनेशंस, बट यू विल रियलाइज दैट द पैराडाइज ऑन अर्थ इज इंडीड अ हेवनली प्लेस.
Kashmir is the place where I want to live and I want to die.
Kashmir is tranquility.
कश्मीर इज जन्नत.
कश्मीर इज सुकून.
कश्मीर फूलों की रानी है.
कश्मीर वादी है.
So I think it's home and hope for me.